Hello there. This is Fred from quickhacks.com. Today in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to set up free SSL with auto-renew for the Bitnami version of WordPress on Google Cloud. Before we get started, make sure you have already installed the Bitnami version of WordPress on Google Cloud Compute Engine, and that you have also logged into your Google Cloud Platform dashboard. Let's get started. Click on the navigation menu icon in the upper left corner from your Google Cloud dashboard. Scroll down. Click on Compute Engine, and then click on Virtual Machines. Click on the SSH link, next to the instance you have just deployed to open a terminal. Wait as the SSH terminal loads. Copy the command line from step 4 below, and then paste it into your SSH terminal to launch the Bitnami HTTPS configuration tool. When prompted with an update request, respond with Y for yes and then hit the Enter key to continue. This time, copy the command line from step 5 instead, and then paste it into your SSH terminal to launch the Bitnami HTTPS configuration tool. Next, enter the non-www version, and the www version of your root domain. Be sure to separate both versions with a space or comma, and then hit the Enter key to continue. Next, respond with Y for yes and then hit the Enter key to enable HTTP to HTTPS redirection. Now, respond with N for no, since we want to redirect the www version of our domain name to the non-www version as in the next step and not the other way round. Finally, respond with Y for yes and then hit the Enter key to redirect the www version of your domain to the non-www version of your domain. Next, respond with Y for yes and then hit the Enter key to confirm the above changes. Enter your email address and then hit the Enter key to continue. Now, respond with Y for yes to agree to the Let's Encrypt subscriber agreement and then hit the Enter key to continue. Congratulations, the Bitnami HTTPS tool succeeded in modifying your installation. Please hit the Enter key to close the installation screen. Copy and paste the command line from step 16 below into the SSH terminal to open wp-config.php. Use the down arrow key to find the wp_site URL and wp_home URL, and then replace them with your actual domain as in this video. Remember to change the HTTP prefix for both to HTTPS. Next, use Ctrl+X to save the updated changes, respond with Y for yes to confirm the save and then hit the Enter key to continue. For the changes to take effect, you will need to restart the Apache server. To do this, copy and paste the command line from step 19 below into the SSH terminal. Go ahead and open your website in a browser and it should be served with an SSL encryption. Next, click on the padlock next to your domain name as in this video to view the SSL certificate information. That's it. Drop your comment below and I will respond as soon as I can. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook, Instagram and Twitter pages for updates as they are posted. Thanks for watching.